Are you thinking of starting your own digital bullet journal? Or do you always feel like you spend too much time to create your pages and cannot keep up to update your journal? If you have these same feelings as me, then this video is for you. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Wei. I make my bullet journal in notebooks for over a year, and I really enjoy doing it. This creativity displayed in the journals has changed my life. The problem is I always spend too much time creating the pages that end up not having up-to-date spreads to use. So from last year in October, I started to making digital bullet journals. This was really a life changer for me. Now in only about 10 to 20 minutes, the page is ready to go. So today, I'm going to show you how I designed my June digital bullet journal spread, so you can make one for yourself too. I'm using Procreate on my iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. Let's get started. I'm starting with the cover page. First, copy the drawings from another file. I'm using the drawings that I already made a few days ago. If you want to know how I drew these, please watch my previous video. In this channel, I will do easy drawing tutorials so you can get some inspirations for your planners. I also do bullet journaling and digital planning, so if you are interested in these topics, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. It took me only about 5 minutes to finish this page, but the result is beautiful. It's very simple and elegant. Next, I'm creating the monthly calendar. First, I make the boxes for this month. Remember to hold your pencil onto the screen for a bit after you finish drawing the lines, so Procreate will automatically make the lines straight. And if you put down 2 fingers, it makes it perfectly horizontal straight line. I copy the drawings again and I place them to the position I like. Then copy only the line drawings without the background colors. Choose the pink color, then choose the option Alpha Lock from that layer. Then choose the option Fill Layer, so the drawings will change to the color I pick. I reduced the opacity to 50% to have a faded out look. I use script brush in calligraphy section to write the title and the words. Then I use monoline brush in calligraphy section to write the small words like the days of the week and the dates. Finally, I'm using the chalk brush to create this look. You can just use Procreate's brushes like in the charcoal section. You can choose 6B compressed to create a similar result. Next, I'm making a gratitude journal page. First, make a small long box. Then copy it and paste it as a group into 30 small boxes. It's very simple to make this page since I already finished the drawings beforehand. Same thing as before, copy the line drawings without the background colors that I already drew before. First, change the colors, then reduce the opacity. Then write the title and the numbers. I already made a draft for these so that I won't waste too much time trying to figure out the design in this video. I'm using the chalk effect under the title to make it look more interesting. Then finished. Easy and quick. Next, I'm doing my mood tracker. I made a divider to guide me to put the plain images into the right place. Then copy the line drawings again. And cut the image. Move it to the inside of the box. I'm duplicating the drawing set several times. Place them in random positions to make sure it doesn't look too boring. Merge all the layers. Then write the title using the script brush. Now use the monoline brush to write the dates. Draw 6 boxes to place the color code. Draw the color code to indicate the mood. Same thing, chalk lines to finish the look. Next is my first weekly spread. I draw 4 boxes first, then duplicate it to make another one below for weekdays. Then I copy the drawings again and place them to the place I designed. Then write the titles again. Then draw chalk effect under the words to make it more fun. Then reduce the opacity to 50% so the colors won't look too bold. And finally, it's my second weekly spread. I wanted to make this spread more interesting, so I made different boxes for priorities, menu, and a mini weekly habit tracker. I just feel that mini weekly habit tracker are so cute and they're so fun to look at. Hopefully, this cute weekly habit tracker will help me build up good habits. Next, write the titles, week 2, and also priority, and the menu. and the title for Habit Tracker. For me, I'd like to design a different layout each week, so I won't feel so bored to use the same thing over and over again. Do you feel the same as me too? I'm so glad that I made the draft first before shooting this video, so you don't need to watch me struggle on deciding where to place the elements. Isn't this a much faster way to make a bullet journal spread? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. If you want more bullet journal inspiration ideas, please check out my Pinterest and the Instagram. I will put the links in the description below. Finally, finish the look with the chalk lines. Then reduce the opacity to like 50%. Now finished my second weekly spread. When I finish all the spreads, I save with JPEG files, then exporting to my photo albums. Then open the GoodNotes file app and create the new pages with the photos I just saved. I like to use Procreate to finish the design and then export them to the Notebook app. So when I erase the mistakes on the page, it won't mess up the spread, and it comes out nice and clean. Hopefully, you will find some useful information in this video, and you will start your own digital bullet journal too. This is my final flip through. This is how it looks on my 2020 digital bullet journal notebook. Remember to check out my Pinterest and Instagram for more ideas. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great week, and I will see you in my next video.